It is Severe Weather Preparedness Week for the state of Indiana, and the state will use this opportunity today to test the tornado sirens statewide. The first tornado drill this morning will be at 10:15, then once again 7:35 this evening. This is just a drill. There is no threat of storms today, but use this opportunity to have a plan with your family. No place is safe anywhere outdoors. The basement or interior room is best in your house. Make sure you stay away from windows as well. And make sure you always stay with Storm Team 6 for all your weather updates.